Dear friends, if you are getting your neck cracked from any person, a hairdresser or any other person, be careful, because it has got an life-threatening, it can cause a life-threatening emergency. If it puts a lot of pressure and the person is not educated, then it can put a pressure onto the spinal cord. The vertebra can, misplace, and it could be cause a life-threatening emergencies, and lower part from here, all the upper limb, lower limb and body can be paralyzed. So please do not do it from any person or any hairdressers.